Next, we get to customize our store. But before we do, go to the right side and scroll through. You can see there's a beautiful preview here that the AI has assembled, including a photo carousel, custom description, even most common questions, which you can click on and see all the questions and answers. Atlas really tailors its generations to the product and makes it feel very handcrafted. That said, we have a lot of optimizations we can still do to make even more money. So that's why we're going to customize our store a little further. First, pick a color preset. I like to pick a color preset that matches the general colors of the product. For example, this warm terracotta. And if you click it, you can see the site preview immediately changes. You could also click custom colors to pick your own. Next, click on the Product tab to update product information. The first and most important thing to update is your store name. Click into Store Information and give your store a name. Next, click into Basic Product Information. If you noticed, the AliExpress name for this product is this long thing full of keywords. It's not very pretty looking. Back in Shopify, you can see Atlas has actually changed the name to something a lot more palatable and interesting. Next, we need to set a price. For dropshipping, I highly recommend setting the price of your product to 2.5 times the price it's listed for on AliExpress. That way you have a nice margin to still give discounts and make a profit. And if you scroll down on the right preview, you can see that our price has been updated to $175, but we have a compare at price for $350. It's little details like this that help improve your store's conversions, and Atlas does it all automatically. Next up, check out your product description dropdown. Just like your title, this is a custom written description, not copy and pasted from AliExpress. You can keep it as it is or update it if you'd like to. Finally, go through the reviews, FAQs, and homepage tabs to dial in all your settings and make sure everything really feels like you. When you're done, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to select a plan, but before you do anything, go to the top right and enter the discount code MEDICS. Then click Apply. This will give you an automatic 20% off your total purchase price. That said, before you ever pay a dime, you do get a 5-day free trial first. I recommend the Pro plan because it gets you the AI product photo generator, bundle upseller, and cart upseller. Finally, if you want to save even more money, choose the annual plan to get another 40% off your total purchase price. Now that we've got the coupon code plugged in, annual plan selected, and the Pro plan picked out, let's click Start Your 5-Day Free Trial. Then click Approve. Atlas will process for a moment, importing your store, and then you'll get a success message.